greatest moment that the moment that I remember as an Arsenal fan. So I started watching the year after we won the Invincibles.
Right.
So I've never seen my team lift the trophy. Okay, but
हो सकता
so when
है
I
मे बी यू नीड
and
टू
I
इंट्रोस्पेक्ट
believe कि मैं ही jinx,
प्रॉब्लम
मैं ही प्रॉब्लम हूँ. मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग आता है कभी कभी कि मैं ही
गुड
jinx
गुड
हूँ.
अच्छा है, गलती रियलाइज तो हो रही है.
So anyways, so the greatest moment that I saw as an Arsenal fan was when we were fucking underdogs. Barca at their prime came to Emirates, and then Arshavin scored that goal
2-1 wala.
for the winner,
Right.
2-1
Right,
wala.
right.
That is still in my
You
mind
did
the
not see
greatest.
the actual Real Madrid वाला game भी नहीं देखा? The 1-0
नहीं
win.
नहीं वो देखा है मैंने, 1-0 win देखा है, but उस टाइम पे I was so young. I was just 13, 14. Yeah, I was pretty young. I think I was 15 when that match happened. So I was still not कि मैं every day I was watching matches. I was watching here and there. I knew I was supporting this club. You know those when you start
Yeah,
watching football or you remember when
इतना
you're that
serious
young,
नहीं
you're
होता है,
not
हाँ चल रहा है.
इतने serious नहीं होते. Then you get serious थोड़ा when you're 17, 18, you get into the sport more ये वो. So I was going through that phase. So as a fan watching regularly and understanding the game, you know, my also understanding for the game was beginning. How big at that moment I didn't even know how big Real Madrid were when we went to the final, and I genuinely didn't even know when in 2000 like how big of a moment was us to play the final against Barcelona. I had no idea in my head. I was just 15. So मेरे को तो भी नहीं पता था कि this is a massive moment for the club that हम लोग final पहुंचे हैं. We're playing that. How massive is it that we have gone 1-0 ahead, 10 men down. ये मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट मैं ये क्लब सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ ना, वो जो अभी यंग बच्चे आते हैं, किड्स दैट वी मेक फन ऑफ, यू नो, जो ऐसे ही सपोर्ट कर रहे होते हैं, people like I show speed जो रोनाल्डो रोनाल्डो करके कर रहे. So that was probably me, but when I was in my senses, you know, and that match happens, I remember I was awake at 3 a.m. 4 a.m. Like when we scored, Arshavin scored that goal, and I went, but मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आई. I was and next day I had to go to college, और मैं उठ के मैं बोला fuck I am going to college, और मैं आर्सेनल की जर्सी पहन के मैं अपने यूनी में घूम रहा हूँ, like दिखा के ना we fucking beat Barcelona. That moment I think has been engraved, and I don't think anything tops that after that. अभी तक तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है anything that tops that. And then उसके बाद the next leg we go out.
I think 5-1 beating City is a quite a good
नहीं
moment.
पागल है क्या? That doesn't lead to 5-1 beating City at their lowest. We beat the prime Barca, man.
That way.
That
Yeah.
I thought वरुण तेरा फेवरेट मोमेंट मेरे बैकग्राउंड वाला होगा.
Hey, fuck off, man.
What about the 2-0 win against Bayern at their home, by the way? We eventually, मतलब tie में हम लोग हार गए on the away goals rule, but we did win that game.
I know, but honestly, like we knew we were losing. You know that. You know that was I think second leg था जब 2-0 जीते थे, if I remember. So we knew like it was a tall ask anyway. So you know वो like ठीक है we're losing. हाँ तो.
Frustrating कर दिया यार वरुण ने मेरे को यार, frustrate कर दिया यार. Shit man. I'm now thinking कि यार और क्या moments similar
क्या moments
याद नहीं आ रहे हैं कुछ भी.
FA कप जीता, वो भी FA कप ट्रॉफी जीता.
But उसने बोला ना कि it is prime Barca, वैसे वो वाला बोल रहा हूँ.
Prime Barca, man. And imagine at that moment you're 2-1
और उसमें से पहला गोल अगर लॉर्ड बेडनर ने मारा है तो मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही.
नहीं पहला गोल वैन पर्सी का था.
It was Van Persie.
वैन पर्सी था कि बेडनर
acute angle से मार लिया था. हाँ,
बहुत acute angle से मारा था, और उनका कीपर वेल्डेस था आई थिंक. बहुत शिट.
हाँ
ठीक है. और
नहीं
क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
Victor Valdez is okay. No, he's not shit. He's okay.
He's like the Ederson, Spanish Ederson.
मतलब हाँ मतलब शॉट स्टॉपर नहीं था. He was very good.
जब वो यूनाइटेड में आया तब वो शिट था.
एक सेकंड 4-0 नहीं था स्वयं, 4-4 था.
4-4 था. 4-4 नहीं यार. Those moments are not those where you imagine winning that 2-1 match against prime Barca, going in like you are now ahead, and then going to ये अपना कौन सा स्टेडियम है.
What about beating FA Cup final Chelsea को? Not Mikel का, Wenger का बोल रहा हूँ.
But वही ना, his point is prime Barca, वही आ जाता है. It's like Inter Milan defeating
Chelsea was still good. नहीं, I agree, but उससे पहले we had already FA Cup we had won against I think it was Hull. नहीं,
Holding and Mertesacker masterclass था.
Mertesacker
का पहला game था वो वाला.
Yeah. So we had already won the FA Cup before we beat Chelsea for the second time. We won under Wenger, if you remember.
And it was in camp now, right? ये वाला तो.
Yeah. कौन सा? नहीं ये एमिरेट्स पे जो मैं मैच की बात कर रहा हूँ,
फर्स्ट
ये एमिरेट्स पे था. But that was the first leg. So you're going in the second leg 2-1 up, and then what happens is in the second leg you go 1-0 up. When Percy फिर से गोल मारता है and you go 1-0 up. So there is
वो रेड कार्ड वैन पर्सी का इसी लेग में था ना?
Exactly. So
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे.
You imagine what sort of emotions you're going through that entire two legs. कि आप now you are technically 2-0 up against prime Barca, Messi, Iniesta, Xavi, Busquets, Puyol.
Busquets used to be such a pathetic diver back then यार. बाद में
उसने
गेम को evolve कर दिया बाद में उसको, by the way.
ठीक है. कुछ Xavi Iniesta जाने के बाद थोड़ा सुधर गया वो.
थोड़ा सुधर गया. हाँ, मतलब आजकल के लॉन्डो को if you tell them कि भाई Busquets used to be a diver, cheat, वो आपको गाली देंगे. हाँ, you don't know ball, ये वो. अरे Busquets जाके देख पहले पुराने गेम्स हैं. Dani Alves and
ऐसे आंख ऐसे करके भी उसका मीम है बहुत फेमस है.
Vivek, now go back and tell me anything that tops that moment.
Shit man, मैं तब से वही सोच रहा हूँ यार. मैं बीच में तो इनपुट्स वही तो दे रहा हूँ कि FA Cup का फाइनल, but when we beat Chelsea,
we already won it. We had already won it before it, if you remember. Chelsea को हराने के पहले we already won it a couple of years ago. I think a year or so पहले we had already won it. It was not Chelsea. When we broke our drought.
नहीं, that was Hull City.
Yeah, Hull City where we broke our drought. ठीक है?
हाँ, exactly. Ramsey वाला गोल. उसके बाद वाला we beat Villa. ठीक है, Aston Villa. And then Wenger out हो रहा था, and with the FA Cup win, Wenger went with that win and to the board कि भाई मेरे को एक और साल दो करके.
एक और साल, yeah.
उसको मिला था उसको एक साल.
Yeah. So वही मैं कह रहा हूँ.
2-1 win. Yeah. Was that Milan वाला win post this or before this?
Before that.
Before
2-0 वाला away win. Before that ना. Shit man. हम लोग बीच में तो 4-5 साल के लिए यूसीएल में थे ही नहीं यार. हम लोग क्या
there is nothing before that. There is nothing after Barca वाला वो match, and there is nothing before that. And only thing that now finally that can top that moment is now Real Madrid वाला match. If we win that at Emirates somehow 1-0, 2-0, 2-1, कुछ भी bench scrappy win हो गया, and I am telling you that is gonna top that Barca moment for me.